What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another dope video. Today, we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release August 21st. But before we get into the main attraction that we have right here, if you guys haven't already taken a look at their review for the Air Jordan 1 Satin Snakeskin Women Exclusive, please go ahead and do so. Or if you want to just skip the review and pick these joints up, you can head over to fineline1721.com. They are shipping out right now. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. I love when Jordan Brand takes the extra initiative on giving you just a different color on the box. They have started this earlier this year and they definitely haven't strayed away from it. This is one of the dopest things that Nike Brand could do with the boxes. Label reads Women's Air Jordan 3 white, black, and laser orange. Not seeing any stamps or stickers on the lid. Not seeing any stamps or stickers inside of the box. Let's go ahead and peel this paper back and let's get into the shoe. Hey, these is fire. Now that we got these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Women Exclusive Laser Orange. Does come with the hang tag in the laser orange colorway with the clear surrounding. The shoe tree comes as such. 2 little dents on the side. Let's go ahead and tuck these laces back and let's get into this shoe. Let's go ahead and start with the front profile of the shoe. Taking a look at the toe box. Has that nice thick leather that we've grown accustomed to with the Retro 3s. These feel exactly like the UNC 3s that just came out earlier this year. That same slope down toe box, you know, kind of OG style Retro 3 is also present as well. White shoelaces, laser orange accents on the eyelets. When it comes to the tongue, OG cut, they did not change the form factor of the shoe. Got the black Jumpman Air branding right here. Nothing behind the little tab. Gray outsole with the laser orange Jordan branding right here on the bottom. That about wraps it up with the Air Jordan Retro 3 Laser Orange Women Exclusive. If you want to pick these joints up, you can head over to fineline1721.com. As of right now, I will be shipping these joints out ahead of the release date. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, fineline1721. And into the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.